Hello everyone, welcome to Senka Doing Math Tutor channel. So today we're going to be finding the adjoint of the matrix. So I'm going to give you guys a trick to find the adjoint of the matrix. So let's start. So to find the adjoint of this matrix under 30 seconds, so first what we're going to do is to start from this middle number. Start writing minus 2, 3, then 4, 2, minus 2. So we'll come to the last number again, write minus 2, the next one 2, the next one for the top 3, then minus 2. So you don't be following this pattern, then you come to this one, we put 1, minus 3, then 2, then 2, then the 1. Then we're going to write this upper one here down here, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2. So the next we're going to do is to find the determinant of this side. So our adjoint now be equals to, when we find the determinant of this, that is 2 multiplied by minus 2. We multiply the principal diagonal, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. So minus 4 minus 6, that is minus 4 plus 6. That is what? 2. Then we'll come to this place, do the same to find the determinant of this. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 9 minus 4 multiplied by 2, that is 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is what? 1. So we'll also come to this place again. We do the same thing. 4 multiplied by minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. That is 8 minus 8 minus 6. That is minus 8 plus 6. That is minus 2. And we also come to this part, we do the same thing. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is plus 6. So plus 6 minus 2 multiplied by 1. So 6 minus 2, that is 4 plus 4. So bring our 4 here. Also do the same thing here. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 minus 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So 4 minus 9. Sorry, there's a minus sign here. 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that's minus 9. So 4 minus 9, that's 4 plus 9, which is equals to 13. So also do the same thing for this. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 minus 3 multiplied by, let's not forget our minus, like this minus 2. 3 multiplied by 1, that's 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2, that's 3 minus 4, which is 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is what? 7. So we've also find the determinant. 1 multiplied by 3, that's 3. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is what? Plus 6. So the 3 minus 6, which is equals to minus 3. I also find the determinant of this 2. We have minus 3 multiplied by 4, that's minus 12. That's minus 12. So minus 12 minus 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 2, that is minus 6. Minus 12 minus 6, that is minus 18. So the last part, 2 multiplied by minus 2. 2 multiplied by minus 2 is what? Minus 4. 4 multiplied by 1 minus 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. So minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. So therefore, the adjoint of the matrix A, adjoint of A equals 2, 4, minus 3, 1, 13, minus 18, minus 2, 7, minus 8. So this is the adjoint of the matrix. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Bye.